friends, welcome back to our channel, and today I'm here with you all to share like 8 kinds of the food that destroy our intelligence. So if you know how what kinds of food are there, what are the names of their food, so you will be easy, it would be easier for you all to avoid these. Okay, so let's get started. Firstly, you must know that when it comes to the food, we must understand that there are kinds of the food. Some are superfoods, like are they the greatest allies with the overweight. Others stimulate your cognitive function and improve your memory, but there are also foods known to have a devastating effect on our brain function, and the nutritionist also advise us to consume them sparingly in order to limit their negative effect in our body. So I'm not saying that you should not consume it, just you have to consume in a sparing way, means in a limit quantity. Okay, so here I have collected 8 of the name of the foods that I'm sharing with you all that are responsible for our intelligence, means lowering the intelligence, effect of that affect our bodies in a wrong ways and contribute to the worsening of our health. So if you want to stay focused, alert, so in good mental and physical shape, make sure you avoid these foods, or at least eat a few of them as possible as you can. Okay, so let's get started. Before moving ahead, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do that so that you can get the notification of every of my video on time. Okay, now first food that I'm sharing with you all is the foods containing sugar. See, sugar, or it can be any of the sugar product, are not only bad for our the waistline but also our brain function too. This is bad for this also. Long-term use of the sugar can create a variety of the neurological problems and prevent your good memory. So sugar can actually affect our ability to learn. So it is therefore advisable to avoid the pre-baked products like sugar and the corn syrup and the products which are high in the fructose. Okay, second is the artificial sweeteners, means when the people attempt to lose the weight, they tend to think like they will become slimmer by replacing the sugar with the artificial sweeteners. Although artificial sweeteners do contain the fewer calories and they can do more harm than the good one. If you will be thinking like it is good for me, it can even harm you in an adverse way more than what you have expected. So if used for an extended period of a time, artificial sweeteners can cause the brain damage also. So decision is in hand, whatever you want to decide. Want to just let your brain damage, or want to let it be in a position it is right now, and reduce the cognitive ability as well. So especially if consuming them in a large quantity, so please avoid them. Artificial sweeteners are not in a good way. These are not the good. If you are thinking like you will lose out your weight, this is not good. Okay, third is the junk food. This is also advisable in each and every video which is related from this. I have suggested don't consume these, or it can be fast food also. A recent study conducted at the University of the Montreal found that junk food can alter the chemicals enzymes in the brain, which may lead to the symptoms of the depressions and anxiety. Okay, so these foods affect the production of dopamine, an important hormone that promotes the happiness and an overall feeling of well-being. So dopamine also nurtures our cognitive function, learning ability, alertness, motivation, and memory. So it is therefore important to avoid all foods and excessive fat, that is whichever the contain the excessive fat, such as like the deep fried fast food. You should not consume this. Okay, fourth is the fried foods. Almost all the processed food, whatever the processed food are there, that contains the chemical dyes, additives, and artificial flavors, and that is called the preservative, like a preservatives, so that it can be preserved for a longer period of time, and so on. So all this may affect your behavior and cognitive function. This is due to the hormone that causes, like the hyperactiveness both in adults and children. Fried processed food slowly destroys the nerve cells and located in our brain. And however, some oils are more dangerous than others, like the sunflower oil is considered one of the most toxic. Okay. Fifth one is the processed and the convenience foods, means just like the fried foods, processed foods and the convenience food affect your brain or your central nervous system. So they increase the risk of developing the kind of a disease like degenerative diseases in later life, like such as the Alzheimer's disease. So these are the long-term diseases it can cause. So please avoid this if you want your health to be fit and fine. Okay. The sixth one is the very salt food. What does it mean? See, everyone knows that salty foods affect the blood pressure and have the better effect on the heart. So foods that contain the large amounts of the salt and can also affect your cognitive function and impair your ability to think. Otherwise, salty foods affect your intelligence. In fact, consumption of the salty foods and nicotine have been shown to have the same effect as the drugs, because they cause the severe withdrawal symptoms and cravings for the that is for the salt for this salty food. Okay. Now the seventh one is the processed protein. Means the proteins are the building blocks, that is the building blocks of the muscles and are essential for the proper functioning of a body. We all know that. Okay. Now the processed proteins are basically found mainly in the meat products, like the such as the salami, sausage. These are the milk products, etc. Okay. Now, unlike the natural proteins that help the body to isolate, the nervous system processed protein do the opposite. So it's having the opposite function. So it is not good for you. Overall fact is this. Okay. Now coming to the eighth one, and the eighth food that is right now I'm going to talk about is the trans fats. What are these trans fats? See, trans fats causes a numerous problems. They are a threat to the cardiovascular system and are number one cause of the high cholesterol and obesity. However, they are also harmful to the brain as they make it slower. They affect your reflexes, not to mention the increased risk of the stroke. Trans fat may also have other effects on your brain, like if eaten for too much longer time, so they may lead to a kind of the cerebrovascular contraction, that is a contraction, which is somewhat similar to the shrinkage caused by the Alzheimer's disease. And this shrinkage of the brain takes place due to the fact that the trans fats slowly damage the arteries. You can, that is, prevent this and reduce the risk of the stroke by simply limiting your intake of the trans fats. Okay, so isn't it easy? What you have to do is you have to just avoid it. Okay, so finally these were the 8 food that you should literally avoid. I would seriously recommend you all to just avoid this, because if you want to have a healthy lifestyle and want to improve your have an improved memory and alert brain, so you have to avoid it. Something you have to sacrifice this. Okay, your aim should be to consume the less processed food and more the raw foods. Okay, and as well as the fruits also. Okay, thank you for watching the video. I think you will must apply this in your life and this will really work for you. Okay.